In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Chrome tab sizes. If you tend to keep a lot of tabs open in Google Chrome, you've probably noticed how quickly they can shrink down and become hard to read. Adjusting the way Chrome handles tab width can make your browsing experience feel much cleaner and easier to manage. The good news is that this can be done very quickly through Chrome's experimental settings, also known as Chrome flags. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular browser window so you can easily access the settings we need. Chrome Flags is a hidden area where Google lets users try certain features before they become part of the standard browser experience. Because of that, the layout may look a little more technical than the usual settings page, but don't worry, this process is still very simple. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Flags page. This is where you'll find a long list of optional features that can be turned on or off. Since there are many settings available here, the fastest approach is to use the search bar at the top of the page instead of scrolling through everything manually. In that search field, type tab scrolling. As you type, Chrome should immediately filter the results and show the matching option. This feature is related to how tabs behave when you have many of them open at once. Instead of forcing every tab to become extremely tiny, tab scrolling allows Chrome to manage space more effectively, which can help tabs stay more usable and easier to identify. When you see the tab scrolling option appear, enable it. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may be done through a drop-down menu where you choose Enabled. After changing the setting, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser so the update can take effect. If that prompt appears, go ahead and relaunch Chrome. That's all you need to do. After Chrome restarts, open enough tabs to test the change and see how the tab sizing feels. If you don't notice the exact result you want right away, keep in mind that Chrome flags can vary a little depending on browser version and updates. But in most cases, enabling tab scrolling is the key step for changing how Chrome handles tab sizes. And that's it. You've successfully changed Chrome tab behavior using Chrome flags, making it easier to work with multiple tabs without everything becoming too cramped.